This is Walmart in Deltona on Saxon Boulevard. I wanted to give a tour on Hurricane Irma. This is actually my store. Look, all the booze is here. Let's see. I want to give a tour on the water. It's completely it's all of the water. The only water we have is this. I'm actually going to take one of these. Yes. Life water. It's the best electrolyte water ever. Yeah. So, all the soda seems to be here. Not that bad in shape. But look at the Gatorade. Right here. It's almost gone. Juice still here, but slowly. By the end of the night, probably it is only 2 o'clock. Here's snack aisle. Not doing too bad. Got chip aisle. Yeah, we're good. We got pasta. Like the soup and pasta is almost gone. We have chips. Chips is almost gone. Isn't that great? Say hi to our friendly vendors. Yes. Friendly vendors. More soup gone. That is insane. But hey, category 5, 6 hurricane about to impale the coast of Florida. Just the coast. It's not like it's gonna hit us dead on, but it is still a lot of wind and a lot of rain. Oh, the spices still here. You got your snacks still here, but look at all of our canned fruits. It's gone. It's gone. Condiments, sauces, still got those. It's cool. Baking aisle. Isn't that great? Still got our baked goods. Then you have our baking aisle. Whoop, sorry. It's not that bad. But all of our, let's see, what is this? This one is canola oil, vegetable oil, more canola oil, veggie oil, canola oil, everything out of stock with that. Let's see, it's up here, more vegetable oils, canola oil, cornstarch rather. Evaporated milk is almost gone, which I guess is good to have. And then we have our coffee aisle. Let's go down this aisle for a second. Yeah. Coffee. We're good with coffee. And then you have our Crunch nutritional bars. Oh god. Smell that. Sorry about that. Your cereal aisle. Yeah, this way. Whew, these ones. Look at all that oatmeal. Cereal aisle. It's not completely bare, but it's getting there. Slowly but surely. Our boys have been working very hard to keep this up, and it's just everybody just buying it all. It's not gonna happen. We have to wait till it passes to make our store look pretty again. I was in DeBerry the other day and did not look as bad, but they are, wow, look at all that jelly. This is the bread aisle. Okay, I'm gonna stop with what I was about to say. This is our bread aisle. Bread is completely gone. Yup. Anyway, so I was in the berry store, and they seem to be holding up a lot better than we are, but everybody's still out of water. More bread aisle. Completely gone, but then you have our tortillas that have not been touched. And then we have our snacks. Looks like we're good on snacks. We got our frozen stuff. Pizzas look like they have been ransacked. They're all like fallen and stuff. It was really crazy. 2 nights ago it was crazy. It was non-stop from 2 o'clock to, let's see, 10 o'clock. Nothing but non-stop madness. Asking for the water that we did not have. Oh, we still have some vitamin water. Flavored water. And stuff. I'm surprised people haven't taken frozen stuff, but then I'm not. Because if crap hits the fan, we will have no power to make it. So, I guess it's not that big of an idea. We're frozen. Yeah, our friend's apartment seems to be cool. The ice cream still. Ooh, excuse me. I'm still waking up. Sorry, Grandma. Ooh, yes. We have to go down the toilet paper aisle still. So, basically got a gist of that. Our frozen department is still good. Let's see. Let's go down the shampoo aisle first. We still have shampoo. I'm surprised that shampoo. Still have shampoo and lotion. Interesting. This is very interesting. I think that would be a very high takeaway, but I guess not. Because you can, like, ration that, I suppose. And let's start here. Still have that. So once again, this is the Deltona Walmart on Saxon Boulevard, Florida. I am giving you guys this information in case anything on this video you need, so you have it, because I'm not a jerk. I'm giving you basically a tour of what we have, so you can prepare. This is the baby aisle. We are out of baby wipes, except for this little section over here, down here. We have diapers still. We have a little bit of value packs, but we are running low. But we still have a great amount. See, look at the baby food. Baby food. We have baby food. It is low, but we are good. We still have that. Lots of that stuff. Lots of that. And we still have formula. That's not completely gone yet. You guys need that. See, more diapers. We're good with that. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Now this is the beginning of our paper towel rack. That's it. End cap. And then tissues.
Hello.
This is our paper towels right now. And then some of our toilet paper. Normally, we keep this fairly stocked, and our top stock is always full. So, imagine it being empty is kind of a scary thought. Yeah. Do you need help finding anything?
Yes, Windex.
Windex?
Yeah.
That's going to be down this way. Yeah. Windex is going to be down this way. Yeah, I work here. Yeah, I do. It's going to be down this aisle. down this aisle.
It's there?
Yes, should be.
Where?
If we
Oh,
don't,
over here somewhere.
yeah.
Oh, look
It
at that.
should be-
I think it's an animal section.
Oh yeah, it's with the cat food. It should be down here if we don't have it. Oh yeah, it's right there. We're next, right down all the way.
Thank you,
You're
both of
welcome.
you. Thank you.
I have a YouTube channel, so I am showing the people that we are not completely out.
Oh.
So I'm being a good Samaritan. Isn't that nice of me? Back for the... Sorry, I'm still working and I'm not even supposed to be working. It's just force of habit, damn. Okay, so this is our paper plates. Everything, that's completely gone. And this is our supply, which I'm surprised isn't exactly bare. I mean, you have your hangers. I guess you don't really need hangers, but glue, no, you don't really need tape. Yeah, surprised those right there. Those aren't gone. Let's see. Fans. Got fans. A little bit of fans. Our big ones are gone, but we still have that one. We have fans still. We need the generator to have it though, in case shit hits fan. So you got a glimpse of everything. Back down that way, but I'll show you again in case, you know, I was going too fast, which I probably was. And there's candy. And here we go. Sea Glade. Still have this. Candles, I am surprised, are not gone. That is one thing, except for our lamps, our lanterns, our oil lamps, and our tea candles are gone. But all these bigger candles, I am surprised are not gone because they are, I think, would be more, you know, helpful to have because they last longer. But hey, you know, I don't know anything. I'm just, you know, person that has a survivalist as father. But, you know, hey, I guess they don't want to spend that much money. So they go the cheap way. But hey, this is the bleach. Yeah, it's gone. And then this is pool stuff. More jars and stuff, which I'm also surprised are not gone. Let's see. Cleaning supplies. This is our cat aisle. Yes. Kitty litter is almost gone. That's a shame. Poor kitty litter. And these are insecticides. Still got those. And here's our soaps. Still have soaps. More cat food. We have it still. Bigger bags are more in high demand though. Here. Right now. And you got Clorox wipes. All that. More cat food. This is our canned cat food. Canned cat food is low. But we still have some. And our boys are going to fill it up, I'm sure. This is our coal and our fire supplies. It's completely gone. We got dog food. More dog food. Got a lot more dog stuff than cat stuff. It's kind of like racist on the animal side. But hey. There we go. More dog stuff. And you've been down that way. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. This is my YouTube channel, so say hi to my fam.
Hi, fam.
Hey, yeah, I work with them. They're the greatest lady ever. She's great. She will make you smile when you're upset. It's great. I love her. But yeah, so that is the Deltona Family Neighborhood Market. Here's your meat section. Still got some meat sections. So we're not completely useless. I mean, we got some stuff still. I'll take you up to the front. Let's see. Yeah. That's a grand tour. I know this video is probably really stupid, lame, and annoying. It's like, why is this chick, this random chick from Florida that nobody cares about? Why would anybody care about? You know what? Well, for all you haters out there, I am doing this because I want to show people that we still has a market open that still has stuff, whether you need it or not. I am giving you this information because I love y'all and I want you guys to stay safe. And it is my job to keep you guys safe and happy at Walmart. That is our slogan, right? Save money, live better.
Okay, did you hear from your daughter?
Have some crock pots, so. Yeah. And our produce. Oh, look, we have more Gatorade right there. They just brought up and fine. Don't do that. So that, my dear fans, my dear children, this is our market. Okay. Well, that's our market.